Hey guys, it's Bats here. I wanted to thank you for clicking on the video today. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. And then we can bring you more quality content, tips and tricks that'll help you get to Shark Reef here a lot faster. What's up you guys? Ace of Vegas here. Welcome back. I wanted to go ahead and do yet another best slots in Vegas video here. So we have a lot of great slots here. There's Yellow Brick Reels and then Super Multi-Slots Bedrock. That's an interesting one. We also have the Seven Kingdoms, Omet's Gold. Although, a game I never actually played in the classic version was Glee Musketeers. It was in 572. Looks like we have some pretty good odds doing 750,000. All right. So we're going to be risking about 75 million chips here just to see if we get some pretty decent odds. So let's go ahead and get this party started. We'll do the usual 100 spins on the clock. On your mark, get set, ready, go. Okay, looks like it's immediately a video poker themed one. Three Musketeers, 1, 2. And it looks like the bonuses are some sort of encore act. I guess it's about the movie or one of the movies. There have been so many Three Musketeers movies. I mean, even Disney's had their own Disney Three Musketeers. So that was a fun thing. I think it was Donald, Goofy, and Mickey. They were the Three Musketeers there. So I wonder if the Glee Musketeers does anything different. I'm glad it's got kind of a story to it. It looks like, but it looks like it's based off play more than anything else, which is fine. I think that's cool. They held up a little applause sign there. I thought that was kind of neat. I'm immediately regretting putting in $750,000 per spin here. I remember one day you heard me playing the game once, and I was sitting here talking about how many millions I was down. She asked me, "You get that money?" I'm like, "No, it's all in game money, so it's cool. It doesn't really count." But I know, wouldn't that be something? What would your spouse say if you actually had this type of money in real life? If you actually did have $300,000 or $300 million just to toss away in the slots, or even $300,000. I'm not sure how you guys roll. Y'all might actually roll like that, and I don't know that. So let's see. Let me know if y'all have that type of gambling budget there, and then I'll set up my Patreon right after that, and we'll talk about this. So immediately, it's kind of a quiet game, really. I'm not even getting that much music from it here too. I'm wondering if the sound is off, or if I did something to the sound. Yes, I did do something to the sound. Okay. Yeah, and they have an audience cheering in this one. I forgot I had my sound on mute. I was working on something else, and I turned the sound off. Trying not to get the reverb. I was doing a little remote work, and I was getting an echo, so I turned that off. Alright. Yeah, we're already like halfway through the slot and just not getting anywhere. We could get a level up. Not much going on this slot machine over here, so it's not that the win-lose percentage is terrible, it's just really boring so far. I think we already lost 10 million chips here. And yeah, we are 50% through the slot and nothing's happened. I see that the encore bonus is a thing. I'm guessing that's free spins, but I don't know what else, or how else to trigger it. Okay, alright, so we're getting some pretty decent wins. There's just not a lot of bonus games to really help us make up for that. Not really my style of slot. And pretty light on the wilds, too. Alright, 60% through the game here, and we're just not making any progress, unfortunately. We're picking up some loyalty points, which is always nice. Just nice little bonus loyalty points here. I think that might be a video I do this week, another blackjack video. I know I've got 6 in the pipe right now, and another 6 in the chamber right now too, scheduled, ready to release. I just have so many ideas I'd like to put out, and there aren't enough hours in the day. I really wish I could create all the time. It'd be so much fun. And I'm looking at all this, like, I wonder if the Glee Musketeers, if there's actually just a minigame called Glee Musketeers that you can play. Love if this was a fencing game, like from Sonic and Mario at the Olympic Games. Or Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games, because Mario got top billing. So I'm pretty sure Mario would beat Sonic in a fight. In a straight fight, anyway. I don't know. I'm sure there would be some conditions, but ultimately, I think Mario's got a wider range of powers, and he's considerably faster than he gets credit for it, too, so that's another thing. There's some crazy reality warping stuff, too. Now that I don't love Sonic, Sonic's pretty insane, some of the stuff he can do. Especially those Chaos Emeralds, their time stopping, and energy shooting and all that, too, so I love Super Sonic. And nope, we didn't get the free spins either. Alright. We're down to basically our last 10 spins here. Yep. Last 10 spins, not much happening today. Hopefully we get something on this bonus over here. Nope. I'd really love to know what these bonuses are. Apparently better odds isn't good enough to see what the bonuses are here. I think I just straight up lost a ton of chips here. And this just kind of ate my chips. Well, here's our last spin. Let's see what happens here. No good. Sorry, guys. I thought something was going to happen here. Well, let's go ahead and take a quick break anyway. I'm going to go ahead and count up the booty, and we'll be right back. Alright, guys, we're back. So, out of the 301 million chips we started with, we ended with 284,415,572 chips, meaning that we lost 16,895,000 chips, leaving us with a payback percentage of a paltry 77.47%. So, I guess it was kind of neat, in theory, like how they had the applause and all that good type of stuff, but it was a bland slot. I gotta admit that was just a bad slot. But that being said, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll go ahead and do something different tomorrow because we totally ate through Tuesday's profit playing this game today. But till then, it's a Vegas signing out, and happy spinning, you guys.